Scheduling time off without losing clients is tricky, but it's possible if you do it right. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and effectively, so you can take that much needed break without worrying about your business falling apart. Stick around till the end for an exclusive tip on how to make this even easier with the software we'll be using. First things first, when you're planning time off, communication is key. Start by informing your clients ahead of time. It's best to give them at least a couple of weeks' notice if you can. Let them know the exact dates you'll be unavailable, and be clear about when you'll be back to handle their needs. If you're upfront, most clients will respect your time off and appreciate the transparency. Now, don't just rely on email or text. Update your calendar and set an automatic reminder or out-of-office reply for the dates you'll be away. This ensures clients know exactly when they can expect you and when they should seek alternative options if needed. You don't want anyone to be caught off guard when they reach out. Next, try to plan your time off during a slower period if possible. Avoid scheduling vacation during peak times, or at least schedule your time off well in advance. This way, clients won't be waiting on your services while you're away, and they can plan around your absence. It's all about being strategic with the timing. If you work with clients on recurring projects, try to wrap up any ongoing tasks before your time off. This shows that you are organized and that you care about delivering your work properly. If some tasks will inevitably carry over, try to create a plan for how your clients can handle things in your absence. Consider providing them with helpful resources or suggesting someone reliable to take over temporarily. If you're worried about things slipping through the cracks, you can always delegate to a trusted team member or partner. Set clear expectations with your client so they know who to turn to and when they can expect their project to continue moving forward. This can be a game changer for maintaining client satisfaction while still taking that well-deserved time off. Using the right software can help manage this process even smoother. Our software lets you automatically schedule time off, create client reminders, and handle any automatic follow-ups or task assignments. If you want to follow along, you can get an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. It's a great way to manage your schedule and ensure that your clients are always in the loop. One thing to keep in mind is that you should make your time off a regular part of your schedule. Clients will expect you to take breaks, and if you're consistent with it, they'll understand that it's part of how you manage your work-life balance. Being consistent also helps your clients adjust and plan for your absences more effectively. The key takeaway here is, clear communication is essential when scheduling time off without losing clients. By letting them know ahead of time, wrapping up tasks, and setting expectations for your absence, you can enjoy your time off without the stress of losing business. Quick recap: inform clients in advance, plan for slow periods, finish tasks early, and consider delegating if necessary. And don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description to help make the process even smoother. Take advantage of that free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.